Well, students, once again, Panda Data Frame. Today, we are going to discuss three important commands rather, and its different usage. Okay, so the commands are values, head, and tail. All right. So now we will see the programming implementation of these three commands. I mean, practical implementation of these three commands. Just watch it. All right. Now let us see what are the things actually. Okay, so the thing is that this is Panda tail function, and we are going first with the values. Okay, so this is the values function out here for you. Okay, now what it will do, it will show you exactly the values of the array. All right, now you see the thing is that how this is to work. This is the simple thing that I have taken a dictionary, okay, of series. Okay, there are three series given: name, age, and rating, and we are creating a data frame out here of this one and printing the data frame value and then functioning, and finally we are applying the values function onto the data of this data frame. Fine. Now you see I'm executing this program. You watch the output out here. Now you see how it is appearing. So the thing is that it will appear in this way. The all the data values in a particular series, like 25, Tom is having the age 25 and his rating is 4.23. Okay, and James is having as well. You see the output has come at I was saying you the actual data in our data frame is 25L. Why this L has appeared? L has appeared in this way because it is a list data type, that's why it has come 25L. So what is coming? So then what is coming out here? It is 25, 26, and then James 26 and 3.24, Ricky 25 and then 3.98. In that way it has appeared. Okay, so this is actually the actual representation of the values that have been stored in the form of an array in the series has been displayed. That is the purpose of the value function. All right, so that is the thing. So after this one, so we will come over here to see how a function on this thing how the tail function is working. Okay, now you see I've given tail 3. Tail 3 means this will show you display the data of last three series from the end. All right, now you see I'm executing this program. I'm doing the module. Okay, now to see the output once, so you will come to know. Now this one I'm showing you, just you see out here. So the thing is that only the 4 5 6 has been displayed, rest of the things has not been displayed. Okay, now you see out here tail 3 has been displayed, nothing else has been displayed. Okay, that means 4 5 6 0 1 2 3 and last is data. So in this way, if you are implementing here only say 2, then what will happen, the last two data will be displayed, so you can check it. So this kind of programs are useful for generating the outputs and all. Okay, so you see the program segment will be given to you and you will be asked to print the output. Okay, basically 2 marks can be allotted on this kind of questions. All right, so you see out here 5 6 has been given out here, so the last two data has been printed. Now what will happen if we don't give any argument of tail? Now you see out here how it is running, how it is executing, so you will come to know. Okay, you see out here what is happening, it will showing you 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is the nature of the tail function. If you don't give any kind of argument in tail, so in that case what will happen, only it will display the last five data by default. Suppose you are having 15 data, then from the end 5 data will be displayed. That means 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, that means these five things will be displayed if no argument has been given to the tail function. All right, all right, now let us see what is happening with if you are giving the negative one. Okay, so negative, say I've given 3. So now see what is happening. I'm executing the module. Okay, so clicking on error. So what is happening, it is showing me 3 4 5 6. All right, what it is showing, 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so it is showing negative 3 data. That is the thing. So when I have given this here and negative from Vin, it is showing me data. That means the last 4 data has been displayed. So the thing is that if I'm giving -2, then let us see what is happening. So run module. Okay, I'm executing this. Let us see. So the thing is that now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again last 5 data. In this way, actually there are different kinds of variation into the when we are putting the negatives and all. So that is the thing in the tail function. So if I'm giving 4 out here, so it will also execute. The last 4 data will be displayed. Okay, that is all about the tail function. All right, now head function that will be displayed. Now we are seen with the tail function, the last data, now the first 5 data and all. Now let us see how this one is functioning. All right, this is the panda head function. Now we see I'm giving the df head too. Then what is happening when I'm executing this program, how it is appearing, you see out here. So same dictionary has been in operation. Okay, so dictionary data has been printed first and then that head data. Okay, so the head means what? From the beginning. Tail was from the end. Head is actually from the beginning. So what is happening? The first two data, 0 and 1 has been printed out here. So if I am increasing, say I'm giving here 4. Okay, so then what will happen? Then first 4 data will be displayed. This is quite easy to understand, but you have to remember how it is functioning. Otherwise, you will not be able to answer it. Okay, that's why the practical implementation is so important for this kind of programs. Okay, easy programs, but you need to know it properly. All right, so what is happening? 0, 1, 2, 3. That means the first 4 data have been displayed. All right, now you see that if I don't give any argument of the head, then what will happen? It will do what? Let us see. Executing the module out here. Okay, so now you see what is happening. It is displaying the first 5 data. All right, so that is the thing, that is the difference, that is the thing actually is happening. So tail actually displays the by default, if you don't give any argument, last 5 data, and head will display the first 5 data. Even if I'm giving one extra things out here also, let us see now the change in the output. Say I'm giving a 4.7 and I'm giving one extra data, I'm increasing, you see out here 34 I'm giving out here, and I'm giving out here after this jack, then I'm adding Shiva. Then see what is happening. Is there any change or not in this program? Okay, let's see. And now the things, I did not keep anything with the head. Now one data have increased. Okay, I'm executing the module. Now you see I'm clicking on OK. Now you see how it is appearing out here. Now you see that again there is no change, only the first 5 data has been displayed. Okay, now if I'm giving a 2 now, sorry, minus 2 now, then what is happening? Let us see. Once I'm executing this program, okay, there will be no error to come. Actually, whenever you are giving the minus and all, it will also show you in the display in the same manner. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it has been displayed. Okay, so no effect with the negatives and all. So you stick to the positive, okay, and give the positive values and all. Say I'm giving out here first 5 data I want to see. No, not 5 data, now first 3 data. Okay, then executing here, run this program, actually running this program. Now you see out here how it is appearing. Yes, so it is appearing in this way. What? 0, 1, 2, 3. First 3 data have been displayed. Fine. So this is the way of functioning of the head function. So these 3 functions that I had explained you today, one is like values, another is like tail, another is head. These 3 functions are very, very important, and you must do the practical implementation all the time of this program. Otherwise, you might have some problem during practicals and all. So remember the functions, because there are a lot of small things. There are a lot of small things which may be very dangerous if you don't know. Okay, that is the thing. You will not be able to write anything. That is the thing. That's why I would like to suggest you to do the practical regularly on the regular basis. And these videos are really explanatory. Okay, and you always go through the full video, and then you will come to know its utility. All right, all right. Then do the practical well, and this is the end of this head function. All right, thank you.